Hey guys, I'm Rebecca and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this look, and I'm also going to be giving you my first impressions on the Belle Jordan collab with Obsession. Now for those of you that don't know, Obsession are one of the sister brands of Revolution, and Belle is a YouTuber. Belle is one of my favourite YouTubers. I really love her videos. I just love her grungy kind of style and her tattoos and that, so I was really excited when I saw that she was doing a collab with Obsession. So if you want to hear my first impressions on this palette and also the lip kit, then please keep on watching. To save time, I've already done all the rest of my face. The only thing I haven't done is of course my eyes and my lips. So first of all, let's have a look at the packaging. So the eyeshadow palette looks like this. This is the box for it. So it's got the Belle Jordan and Obsession in the corner down here. I really like what she's done with the packaging for this, like the tattoo style lettering. I think that is very much Belle. The only thing I don't like is that it isn't massively obvious to me that it actually says Belle here. I get the Jordan bit down there, but just my opinion. I know the font is meant to be like the tattoo style, but it doesn't obviously say Belle to me, but that just could be me. And then on the back, we've got all the eyeshadow shades on the back and all the ingredients and everything, so you can see what shades you get in the palette without having to open it. Packaging on the actual palette is the same again. We've got the Belle Jordan in the font and the Obsession down here. And the back of the palette is exactly the same as the boxes with the layout of the shades. And inside the palette it looks like this. So the only thing I've done is I've just swatched the shades. I posted the swatches on my Instagram and I'll also try and insert them here, but I haven't used the shades on my eyes. There's a nice big mirror in the top, which is really handy, and we have of course got 16 shades in the palette, so there is a nice mix of mattes, shimmers. There's 2 shades here which have got gold flecks of glitter in them. So I'm just gonna have a play around with the shades today, and I don't really know what kind of look I'm gonna go for. I'm just gonna pick the shades that appeal to me most and just have a play about with it really. So to start off with, I am going to prime my eyelids with the shade Starlight, which is the matte white shade. So I'm just gonna go in with a fluffy brush and I'm just gonna bob that all over my eyelid, and I'm gonna go right up to my brow bone with this as well. I had already primed my eyes with my Urban Decay primer potion, and all the other products that I've used on the rest of my face will be listed in the description down below as usual. I'm going to go in with this shade down here, which is 1706 as my transition shade. I do really like the shade range of the palette. It is very up my street. A lot of warm tones in there. There's the black, there's the white, and this purple possibly is my favourite shade just because I do love a bright purple. I also love this really matte hot pink as well. Yeah, I'm going to go in with the shade 1706 and use that in my crease as my transition shade. That's that laid down. It just seems really nice and easy to blend so far, no problems yet. Next I'm going to go in with the shade Hot Sauce, and I'm just taking a smaller pencil fluffy brush, and again I'm just bobbing that in my crease. I'm not blending this as high up as I did that first shade, using it to deepen up the crease. Then just going back in with that first brush and blending those together. So again, that's blended in really nice, no issues there. And I'm gonna go in next with the shade So Cute, which is this really matte hot pink shade. And I'm just gonna use a bigger brush and I'm gonna bob So Cute just on the outer corner of my eye. So I'm literally just placing that there. going back with that first brush and blending it out. Just going to blend it through the crease. So next, just because I really do want to use this purple shade down here, which is called Miami, I'm going to take just a small flat brush and I'm going to put that shade Miami just on the inner part of my lid. I actually quite want to see how this shade applies damp, so I'm just going to spray that same brush with a bit of my Revolution Pro setting spray. Just want to see how it goes on when it's damp. So I'll just pop that in there. It does come out a bit more intense if you go in with a wet brush, but it also works really well with a dry brush as well. So next of all, I think I'm going to take the shade Magic, which is this metallic pinky red burgundy colour down here, and I'm going to put that on the centre of my lid and just blend it between the purple and the pink that I've already got down. And there is quite a bit of fallout on my face there from that shade, and you can see in the pan there is quite a bit of fallout, but that's not an issue. Every palette tends to have a bit of fallout. It is quite a chunky metallic, if you know what I mean. So I'm just taking a fluffy brush and I'm just gonna get rid of that fallout. And I do want to deepen up the crease a bit, so I'm going to take the shade 13 down here, this matte purple shade, and I'm just going to run that in my crease with just a small pencil brush. I've just blended that out a bit. Do want to deepen it up even more in the corner, so I'm going to go in with Lola, which is the matte black. I'm just going in with a little bit more of Miami, that purple shade, just because I have lost it a little bit. Possibly could have worked better if I'd used some concealer and like cut the crease, but to say I didn't know what I was doing with this look. Yeah. And then I'm just going to take the shade So Cute again and run that around my lower lash line. And then I'm just taking a bit more of 13 again and run that round the outside of my lower lash line. And last of all, I'm going to take the shade Glow Baby, which is this nice metallic colour, and I'm going to highlight my brow bone and my inner corner with that. So this is my eye look complete. I am going to add some mascara off camera in a moment. But yeah, I do really like this eyeshadow palette. It is very much my kind of thing. The colour scheme, and I have created sort of quite a grungy look with a little pop of colour, which is my kind of style. Only thing I can say is the shade Magic do has quite a bit of fallout. You can see around the pan as well, but that could have just been me being too heavy-handed. Just something to watch out if you are quite heavy-handed with your eyeshadows like me. Apart from that, everything has blended together beautifully, and this is definitely going to be one of my go-to eyeshadow palettes. Just the colour scheme and everything is just right up my street, and it is very affordable as well. I think it's £10 possibly. So as I said, I'm just going to add some mascara off camera and then I shall be right back. Alright, so I have added some mascara and I've put a bit of black eyeliner just in my waterline, just because this look was giving like serious grunge princess vibes, so I thought a little bit of black eyeliner would just complete it. What do you guys think? Do you prefer it with or without the eyeliner? Let me know in the comments down below. So next I'm gonna have a look and give you my first impressions of the Belle Jordan lip kit. So the lip kit looks like this. It's got the same font on the front, Obsession in the corner, and you do get a little sneak peek through the window at the 3 shades inside. Right, so it does say on the front that it contains 3 full-sized lip glosses. Now I have had these out of the packaging to swatch them, and there is just one gloss. There's 2 matte liquid lipsticks and 1 gloss. I did think they were all glosses when I first bought them. I do like a nice gloss, so I was quite excited to add some more glosses to my collection. But then once I swatched them, these 2 on the outside here do dry down matte, and it's just this middle shade that is a gloss. So that's just something to be aware of if you are thinking about purchasing the lip kit. So inside, as I said, you get the 3 shades, all really nice nude shades. Oh dear. So as I said, these 2 are your liquid lipsticks and this one is the gloss. So we have the 2 liquid lipsticks. This one is in the shade Ever After, and then we've got this slightly more pinkier one which is in the shade Wishes. And then the gloss is called Ditzy, and that looks like that, just a nice nude gloss. So which liquid lip shall I use? I think I'm going to go in with the more nudie coloured one, this one here, which is Ever After, and then I'm going to put the gloss over the top, I think. So this is Ever After, so that is drying down to quite a matte shade. This is not my usual kind of nude shade. I do generally go for a more browny nude, just because peachy nudes, I don't know. I think with me being so pale, peachy nudes just kind of wash me out a little bit as well. In fact, I'm going to do swatches. So these are swatches of the lip products. So this is what I've got on now. This is Ever After. The pinkier one, this is Wishes, and then this is the gloss Ditzy. You can see on my lips that has dried down completely matte, so these 2 definitely are liquid lipsticks. They've not dried down in my hand yet, but they definitely are, and then you can tell that this one here is a gloss. So I'm just going to add the gloss Ditzy on top of this, and then we'll be done. So this is a look with the lip gloss added. Like I said, this isn't generally my normal shade. I would normally go for like a darker brownie nude, but it is really nice. It is a really nice affordable set for people who do like these kind of really light peachy nudes, and they are lovely products. It's just not particularly a colour that I really wear that much. So this is the finished look. I do really love the eyeshadow palette. It is definitely something that I would use on a daily basis. Like, so you can do these really bright colours. There's lots of warm nudes in there, so you can do something a bit softer as well. The lip products, they are really nice, but as I said, they're not particularly my type of shade. I would prefer something a little bit darker, a little bit brownier, but they feel really nice. The gloss isn't overly sticky, and the matte liquid lips do dry down really nice, so I haven't got any issues with that. So my overall thoughts, yeah, I think Belle has done a really good job with this little collab with Obsession. The shades in this palette are beautiful and they all blend really nice. A couple of shades got a little bit of fallout, but nothing major. Every good product ends up with fallout, there's nothing wrong there. So yeah, I really do like this, and well done, Belle. I think you've done an amazing collab. So guys, let me know what your thoughts are down below, and don't forget to click subscribe, and if you enjoyed this video then please give me a big thumbs up. Leave me some comments down below what you think of this look, if you guys have tried out the eyeshadow palette and the lip products, and let me know if you want me to do any more looks using the palette, because there's definitely so many more looks that I could create. So that is it guys, thank you for watching and I shall see you on the next one. Bye!